Welcome back to my channel, where luxury meets innovation and the future of travel takes shape on wheels. Today we're diving into something that redefines automotive brilliance and home on-road luxury at the 2026 BMW Motorhome. This isn't just a vehicle, it's a bold vision of what happens when engineering perfection, futuristic design, and ultimate comfort come together in one magnificent masterpiece. The 2026 BMW Motorhome is a revelation in itself. At first glance, its exterior commands absolute attention. Sculpted with precision and aerodynamic intent, it carries BMW's signature design DNA but in an entirely new form. The front fascia features a reimagined kidney grille, now integrated seamlessly into the curved aerodynamic body. The LED matrix headlights are sharper, slimmer, and adaptive, giving this colossal motorhome an unmistakable presence on any road. Every line of the body speaks of confidence and elegance, coated in that signature metallic gray finish that reflects light like liquid steel. BMW's designers have crafted this exterior to merge elegance with performance efficiency. The body panels are made from lightweight carbon aluminum composites, reducing weight and improving aerodynamics. The multi-axle wheel system doesn't just add to its powerful stanza, it ensures stability, control, and comfort at high speeds, something rarely seen in vehicles of this size. The large, panoramic windshield sweeps backward in one seamless curve, enhancing visibility while blending futuristic aesthetics with practicality. The BMW badges and luminous logos glow subtly at night, marking this machine as a true symbol of modern luxury mobility. Around the sides, you'll find flush windows with smart tinting technology that automatically adjusts to lighting conditions. The lower panels feature integrated LED strips that act as visual indicators and running lights, making this motorhome look like something straight from the future. The rear end is equally impressive, designed with dynamic lines, full-width LED taillights, and a retractable luggage compartment that hides away elegantly when not in use. Everything about this exterior screams refinement, intelligence, and authority on the road. When it comes to performance, the 2026 BMW Motorhome truly pushes the limits of what a mobile home can be. Underneath its sleek surface lies a state-of-the-art hybrid electric powertrain developed by BMW's i-Performance division. It combines a twin-turbocharged inline-six engine with dual electric motors, producing a combined output of over 900 horsepower. The torque delivery is instant, smooth, and shockingly powerful for a vehicle of this scale. Acceleration from 0 to 100 km/h takes just 5.8 seconds, unbelievable for a vehicle this massive. BMW engineers have perfected the art of balance between performance and efficiency. The electric system alone provides a pure range of nearly 300 km, ideal for silent city cruising or eco-friendly camping. For longer journeys, the hybrid mode optimizes both the fuel engine and electric motors, providing an astounding total range of over 1,200 km. Regenerative braking, adaptive suspension, and torque vectoring technology ensure that every movement of this massive motorhome feels graceful, confident, and controlled. The driving experience is nothing short of extraordinary. With BMW's latest autonomous driving package, the motorhome can handle highways and traffic with minimal driver input. The AI-assisted system scans surroundings, predicts road behavior, and adjusts steering and speed seamlessly. It's like piloting a private jet on wheels, effortless, safe, and futuristic. The noise isolation is superb, with the cabin remaining whisper quiet even at high speeds, thanks to multi-layer acoustic glass and active sound cancellation. Handling has always been BMW's pride, and this motorhome doesn't compromise on that. The multi-axle adaptive air suspension ensures that every bump, curve, or uneven surface is handled with supreme stability. The steering feels precise and light, and even tight turns feel surprisingly easy given its size. Braking power is immense, delivered through advanced ceramic composite discs, making it both powerful and reliable. As for energy management, BMW's latest generation solid-state battery technology ensures rapid charging and longer durability. Within just 25 minutes, the system can recharge up to 80%, which is remarkable for a luxury vehicle of this magnitude. The Smart High Energy Monitor continuously optimizes the power flow, ensuring that every component runs at maximum efficiency. Now, let's take a brief look inside this masterpiece. Step into the interior, and you're immediately greeted by an atmosphere that feels more like a private jet than a vehicle. The design theme combines modern minimalism with handcrafted opulence. Every surface, every line, every curve inside the cabin feels intentional, futuristic, and elegant. The ambient lighting sets the mood instantly, with customizable color schemes that respond to your voice commands. The front cabin features two ergonomic seats wrapped in premium leather with BMW's signature stitching pattern. The driver's area is equipped with a panoramic digital display that merges navigation, performance data, and entertainment all into one holographic dashboard. The steering wheel has touch-sensitive controls and a retractable mode when the vehicle switches to full autonomous driving. Moving towards the lounge area, you'll find reclining luxury seats with built-in massage functions, a curved OLED entertainment wall, a minibar stocked with smart refrigeration, and panoramic glass panels that give you breathtaking outdoor views. The kitchen area is compact yet incredibly high-tech, featuring induction counters, concealed storage, and smart appliances integrated with BMW's digital assistant system. The bedroom is a haven of serenity. A floating king-size bed with ambient edge lighting, temperature control, and a smart privacy system that can tint the windows at a single touch. The materials are rich, soft, and soothing. The bathroom, meanwhile, feels like something out of a high-end hotel suite, with a glass rain shower, gold accented fittings, and digital mirror controls for lighting and entertainment. The entire motorhome is powered by BMW's intelligent house-on-wheels AI system, allowing control of lighting, temperature, entertainment, and navigation through voice commands or gestures. Every inch of the interior feels like a blend of technology and tranquility, wrapped in unmistakable BMW craftsmanship. The 2026 BMW Motorhome isn't just transportation, it's an expression of freedom, innovation, and prestige. It's designed for those who seek adventure but refuse to compromise on comfort. It's the future of luxury mobility, where performance meets peace, and engineering meets elegance. BMW has once again proven why it stands among the world's most visionary automotive brands. This motorhome doesn't just move you from one place to another, it redefines how you experience the journey. The perfect blend of power, sophistication, and smart design makes it more than a vehicle, it's a lifestyle statement. So, if you dream of exploring the world with unmatched comfort, speed, and futuristic elegance, the 2026 BMW Motorhome is your ultimate destination on wheels. This is not just luxury, this is BMW redefining what luxury truly means on the open road. Thanks for watching my channel, where innovation meets imagination. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more upcoming reviews of futuristic vehicles, luxury experiences, and everything beyond ordinary.